Hello and welcome to this lecture. Today we are going to discuss another important topic where we discuss about the name of the drugs, how can we compare the brand name, generic name and chemical name of drug. I just give you a simple example of one drug that everybody have present in their home, and the drug is paracetamol. If you take a look of this picture as well, you can understand very easily that how can we differentiate between these different names. And you can see in this paracetamol you will find different names, like this is paracetamol, this calpol also contain paracetamol, panadol they also mention paracetamol. So what thing that you common in all of this product is the name paracetamol. This product or in this picture or in this picture, they all contain the word paracetamol. So the paracetamol word is actually the generic name of the product. The only difference is that when we compare different product, one is tablet, one is syrup, and another is the capsule. So the difference only is how you take the drug. The word paracetamol is actually the generic name given by the American society and the US society that give the name of the drug. And then when we talk about the brand name, the brand name will be different. It depends upon who is manufacturing, which company is manufacturing. So in this picture you can see this is another product of paracetamol, but it is marketed under the name Tylenol. Tylenol. Then if you see in this product we have Calpol, it is also the brand name. The Panadol, it is also known as the brand name. So the brand name will be different depending upon which company is manufacturing. Then the last we have the chemical name. The chemical name is actually the scientific name of the drug given by IUPAC. What is IUPAC? IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is responsible to give the scientific name of the drug. So in the case of paracetamol, here you can see this name acetaminophen. This name is the chemical name. So here that's why we compare the brand name that can be given by the different pharmaceutical companies, and they will be different. Then we have the generic name that will be given by the US society. Uh, then if we have the chemical name, which is the scientific name. I will give you another example to explain the same concept. And this is another product known as Benadryl. And if you see this label, you can find out that this Benadryl name is the brand name given by the pharmaceutical company. Then we have the generic name that given by American Society, USAN, United States Adopted Names, and they give the name diphenylhydramine. Then we have the chemical name which is given by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, IUPAC, which is 2-diphenyl methoxy and dimethyl ethanamine. So you don't need to memorize the name of the drug, but it's just for the information. But the question is that how can we differentiate the generic name and the chemical name? My answer is that the generic name, although we differentiate on the basis of the organization that is giving the name, the chemical name which has been given by IUPAC, it is the more scientific name, whereas generic name has been given by United States adopted name, USAN, and it is more simpler chemical name of the drug. So when we compare the generic name and the chemical name, the generic name is also the chemical name, but it is given by the other governing body, and it is more simpler name as compared to the chemical name given by IUPAC, and which is known as the scientific name of the drug. So that's how we classify the brand name, generic name, and chemical name. So thank you so much for this lecture.